Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. If you are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are subscribed my channel, I'm thankful to you all. So this video, I'm going to find out some stocks for a short straddle strategy. So while we are focusing the short straddle, so we must the stocks trend should be in a range bound. So while if you are finding a range bound stock, so there is a good opportunity to take a short straddle and make the time premium as your benefit. And using this strategy, so we can get more profit whether market is going up or down. So we don't worry about the trend of the market. So the major important thing to find out the trend in a stock or index or commodity, that is quite difficult using a technical indicator uh, using other things. Okay, so here we are going to find the trend is very less or no trend on the stock. So that should be the best opportunity where we are going to take the trade in that particular stock. So let's show you something. I think this was not open. This is not opening right now. So what we are going to do, finding out the stock which is trading in a range bound or a less movement stocks. That is what our idea to find out the less volume. So we told you a lot of time to find out the trend. It is quite difficult compared to finding out the non-trending stock or less movement stocks. So whether if you are following any technical indicators or trend based indicators, first of all we are going to find the trend to make either it may be uptrend or it may be a downtrend. Okay, so we want to find out the trend to trade trend based trading strategies. Here we are not going out to find out either up or down trend. We are finding out non-direction, or we are going to do the non-directional trade once the market is very less. To find out that very easiest way using our ADX parameter. So ADX, it's a non-directional indicator. It will not telling you the direction of the stock. It will tell you the strength about the stock. If ADX is less than 20 or even 25, so the stock was started moving sideways or range bound. So we have to find out, there will be a lot of stocks in futures and options. So we find out some stocks which is trading a range bound. So once the stock which is trading in a range bound, so we can make this strategy which is short straddle, that is give you better profit, and also it is give you some sufficient break even point, either both the sides. So because we are not making any directional trade, so here it is your break even point, and again here there is upside and downside, both sides we got some cushion while if you are making a short straddle. So some simple method to find out the kind of stock where it is reducing its momentum, or it is coming to the range bound level. So using the simple ADX indicator we can find out. Once we find out that ADX is going to down and is sloping downwards, we can get some good opportunity from make money from that stock using short straddle option strategy. The same short straddle we can do in intraday and positional, but if you are focusing the stock with the less volatile, so it will take the time to give the premium. That is what the time premium we are going to get it, right? So we use some indicators, that is ADX, to filter out those stocks having the ADX value is less. Let's find out, or let's create a code with that charting. It is a free website. You can create a code. Now I will tell you how we are going to create, or how we can create the code. So simply we will put a ADX, that is latex ADX, that is a current ADX on daily basis, which is less than sorry, if you are getting a giving a less than, so it will tell you all the values which is less than from whatever the number you are mentioned. But we are crossed below, so those stocks which is crossing below currently, it will filter out. So we are going to take a new trade opportunity now. So we may be getting the stock which is crossing right now. So if you are checking the latest ADX 14 is crossed below the number 25. So we use 20, and even we can use below 20. It is quite good. We can use below 25. That is also be working, but we are finding out the stock which is going down from 20. So what is the logic we have updated here? So if any stocks the ADX value is currently is trading around this is what a 25 line. So when the ADX is trading here and here, and whenever the stock is broke below, so that is the thing which we are going to find out from this code on daily basis. This is not intraday, so we are taking about on daily basis in stocks. Okay, so now we got some stocks which is the ADX is crossed below the number 25. So stocks, how many stocks we got today? It is around some 4 stocks we got it: Bose, LIC Housing Finance, Siemens, and Britannia Industries. And futures ADX crossed below number 25. Let's cross check with that. Now for the first stock, Siemens, and we check it out. Yes, you see that the Siemens, the ADX is now is around 23 as per the indicator which is provided in the trading view. But now you see the previously the stocks is in a range bound around 2000 level. It is not moving high. It is trading around from 17. It is trading on the same range. So we find out the range bound stock. So here some spikes out, and again it now it is trading on the 2000 level. Let's see if you are doing a short straddle on this stock. So now the ADX also sloping downwards. Now, so we have to take the ATM premium, that is the stock was trading around 2000. So we maybe select the 2000 rupees strike prices, and we will run it again if you get any stocks. Now another one is LIC Housing Finance. Let's check it out, LIC Housing Finance. So what is the stock? Yeah, here also it is going down. Now it is the below 23.5. The market was trading here in a range bound. When here around 40 level, the ADX is turned below. But if you are checking around 37, so the momentum is big. So the daily range of the stock is big. But now the ADX is near about 25 or below 25. You see that the momentum or range of the stock is very less. So while selecting, so for example, if you go for a Bose, there will be a liquidity problem with that options, and Britannia maybe the liquidity problem. That is, the liquidity problem is nothing but the bid price and the ask price between the strike price options may be getting some difference. So buyer are quoting a less value and seller quoting even more value. So the spread may be big. So that kind of stocks we may avoid. So here we got a 4 stocks and Siemens, LIC. Let's check with that. What is the premium now about the Siemens? Let's add. I'll add a straddle chart here. This is also be a free website, so you can use it out. Siemens, I'm going to check 2000 call option of July contract, that is 2000 call option, and again the put option of 2000 of the same expiry with the same strike price. Now we are going to do with the put options. Let's check today. The premium, it is quite increased, but if you check that previously the premium where it is started by 21st is around 161. After that it moves around somewhere the high of 180, and now it started falling and made a low of 125. So here we see the Siemens chart, how it is performed. And this is the date where 24th June it made a spike, and here you see 24th it has started and closed around 172, and next day it moved around 181, the maximum price 181. So it's not moving big because we have time value, more time value on this ATM straddle, because it is the starting of the month. We got a huge time value on this particular option strike price. Now market is trading, and after that the momentum is very slow. After 3-4 days the momentum is very slow and the movement also be less, and the premium is going to decay, and from 166 on the day, after that around it is 154 and 144 and again 131, and today it made a low around 134, almost 128 it is started, and now the premium is trading around 139. If you check the 4 days, we got some profit around from 162 somewhere around 130, almost 30 point the premium decay. So here we are not finding out any direction of the stock, so either it may be go bullish or it may be go bearish, but we are finding out only the opportunity where the market stays in the same range, so we may be getting some good profit. This is the daily charts of that spread of the straddle premium of 2000 call and put of the Siemens. Now what we find, today the market is started moving down, the ADX of the particular stock is moving down, so we can make trade today. I'm not telling about previous history, so there will be a good chances we can take a short straddle at this point. Now it is 139. Let's check with that in a live premium. So Siemens, what is the premium right now? It is a 2000 call option of this month is around 75, the call option, and the put option where it is trading 62. So let's, the total premium is around 75 plus 64, total 139. So here you got that is the current closing price of the premium. So if we sold both the options, that is one was a 74 and another was a 64, we got a 139 point as a benefit, where we get somewhere around 139. So here call option where it is trading 74 and the put option is where it's trading around 64, we got a 138 or 39. 138 is the total premium here. So when we are making the straddle around 2000 rupees, so we got some cushion about 134 38 point upside, that is what a 2138, and downside also we got some support, that is around 138 point less. That is where we got a 2000 minus 138, so 1862. That is what our range where we are going to get that premium. So here 1864 and here 2138. So here we make it straddle at 2000 rupees. There will be a break even upper side and there will be a break in. If market trading in between the range for a time, so you got a time value as a benefit from the stock. So here we made around 139 as a straddle, we got a short opportunity on this stock. So what we are expecting, so we are expecting this stock may trade in between the range, either if it is breaks above, so we have to do some adjustment on the short straddle to make even better result, or to avoid the big losses, because ATM straddle, whatever the straddle you are doing, it is having a limited reward and unlimited risk. But if the stock is trading in narrow range, so we are going to get the maximum benefit from that. So adjustments is nothing but how you are going to manage your position if it is goes wrong. Okay, then another stock which we have seen, that is LIC. I avoid Britannia and Bose Limited. So LIC Housing Finance, again we got some another opportunity. So what should be the premium which is present right now? So the market was trading 470. Is there any strike prices available in LIC 470 strike price? Let's check it out. The strike price is available for, yes, perfect. There will be a strike price available 470, where it is around 19 rupees in the call side and put side, which is trading around 16. So let's create a chart of that thing. Here, straddle chart. AC 470 current week, that is current month contract of July, 470 call, and the same strike price of same expiry 29th July, 470 put. Let's check that the premium, and you see that the premium is currently trading around 35.4. It is automatically calculated, and today also the premium from 38 to now it is trading 3 rupees down. But you see that previous days how the straddle premium is slowly decreasing. Initially it is around 18th of this month, as the last July month, so it was trading around 54, now it is trading 34. and because from 22nd the premium is same the market is trading at a same and narrow range, that will give you some premium decay from 54 to 38. Now what we suggested, so there will be a clue where the market ADX is going down, so we are expecting another some range kind of movement or range bound movement where it is going to trade. So if it is trading in a range bound, the premium should again going down. So if you are taking a short straddle at this point of somewhere around 35.4, so another chances we may be getting some good profit. If you want to make a stop loss for the straddle, so you can make this as a 50 as a stop loss, or even previous highs as your stop loss. Here we cannot get the swing high, swing lows, because we are creating the daily chart. So if you are saying hourly chart like that, so hourly chart also be available with the paid version. This is a free one. So now the total premium is 35.4. So the another good opportunity, whether the 35 point cushion from the current market price, either if market goes with 35 point upside or 35 point downside, even we are going to make profit from the trade. Okay, so that is the benefit about making a short straddle, and there will be a today, if you are focusing the short straddle on the finding out the short straddle, we got some good opportunity in two stocks, so we can make the short straddle on these two stocks. That will give you some better opportunity. Talking about the management or adjustment about the trade, so even you can make the stop loss for a trade with the whatever the management we can do with the stop loss or adjustment trade. If we can add a additional position at the range of whenever this straddle is increased, we can see another opportunity again ATM straddle we can create. That is one kind of adjustment. Or we can make a stop loss for the both the legs or individual legs. We can make a stop loss of 50% or even 100%. Stop loss we can make a for an individual leg. So because we know when the market is started moving a direction, one premium will go up, another premium will go losing its time value, right? So if you are making a one leg stop losses, so there will be another adjustment in say, before creating a straddle, we know what kind of stop loss we can make. So that is also be working better. So if you are making individual legs, so we don't need to be add additional positions on the same side. Okay, so we can create there will be two opportunity as of now. So let see the same stock what will happen in next day movements, how the premium is going to decay, we can check with that. And if you like this video, so like that video and share to your friends. If you are new to my YouTube, kindly make subscribe the YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategy. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.